Ever wondered how the journey into the vast expanse of the cosmos first began? It all kicked off in earnest in the mid-20th century, a time when the world was caught in a whirlwind of geopolitical tensions and technological advancements. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1, into space. It was a small, beeping sphere that orbited our planet, a simple device by today's standards, but an extraordinary leap for mankind at the time. It signaled the birth of space exploration, a new epoch in human history, paving the way for many more thrilling discoveries and adventures in the cosmos. This audacious move by the Soviet Union ignited a fierce competition known as the space race. The United States, not one to be left behind, responded with a series of their own space exploration initiatives. This rivalry, though rooted in Cold War tensions, actually spurred on some of the most significant achievements in space exploration. Fast forward to 1969, a year that would forever be etched in human history, a year when the unimaginable was achieved. The United States Apollo 11 mission successfully landed the first humans on the moon. Two brave astronauts, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, stepped onto the lunar surface and into the annals of history. Armstrong's famous words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed around the world, symbolizing not just a triumph for the United States, but a victory for all of humanity. This monumental achievement represented more than just winning the space race. It was a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the insatiable quest for knowledge. It marked a pivotal point in our journey into space, opening up a universe of possibilities for future exploration and discovery. From the first beep of Sputnik to the first step on the moon, humanity had begun its journey into the cosmos. What if we could peek into the cosmos without leaving the comfort of our own planet? Well, that's exactly what we've been doing for the past several decades with the aid of space telescopes. In the year 1990, humanity launched one of its most iconic tools of discovery, the Hubble Space Telescope. Named after the astronomer Edwin Hubble, this telescope has been a silent sentinel in the sky, tirelessly watching the stars on our behalf. But Hubble did more than just observe. It revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. One of Hubble's most significant contributions has been accurately determining the rate of expansion of the universe, a discovery that challenged our previous understanding and opened up a new realm of cosmic studies. Hubble's images, stunning in their clarity and detail, have also given us an unprecedented view of the universe's grandeur and complexity. However, Hubble isn't the only telescope that has shaped our understanding of the cosmos. In the year 2009, we launched the Kepler Space Telescope, a specialized device with one particular mission, to discover planets beyond our own solar system. And discover it did. Kepler found thousands of these so-called exoplanets, some of which are eerily similar to our own Earth. This has led to tantalizing questions about the possibility of life existing somewhere out there in the vast expanse of space. These telescopes, along with others, have been our eyes in the sky, tirelessly scanning the cosmos and sending back invaluable data. They've allowed us to observe distant galaxies, detect faint signals of cosmic events, and even spot planets orbiting stars billions of miles away, all without leaving the comfort of our own planet. Space telescopes have truly revolutionized our understanding of the universe, making discoveries that were once thought impossible. They've brought the cosmos closer to us, and in doing so have made us realize just how vast and wonderful it truly is. With these eyes in the skies, we've been able to peek into the universe like never before. Have you ever dreamed of setting foot on another planet? That dream is inching closer to reality with every new mission to the red planet Mars. Our understanding of this fascinating world has been shaped by a series of robotic emissaries, from the Mars rovers to the InSight lander. The Mars rovers, these industrious explorers, have been our eyes and ears on the Martian surface. They've braved dust storms, scaled mountains, and crossed ancient riverbeds, all while beaming back invaluable data. We've seen Mars' red sands, towering cliffs, and even evidence of water in its past, but our exploration hasn't stopped at the surface. The InSight lander, a marvel of engineering, has delved deeper. It's been probing the Martian interior, revealing secrets about the planet's formation and geology. It's like getting a checkup for the planet, measuring its pulse, seismology, temperature, heat flow, and reflexes, precision tracking. This information is not just about understanding Mars, but also about piecing together the story of our own planet's past. And now, we're in the midst of the Perseverance mission, a quest for ancient life. Perseverance, or Percy as affectionately called, is not just another rover. It's a robotic astrobiologist equipped with tools to search for signs of ancient microbial life. Imagine that. We might find evidence that we're not alone, that life once existed or perhaps still exists beyond Earth. This mission is also preparing for future human explorers. Percy is testing a method for producing oxygen from the Martian atmosphere, critical for human survival and for fuel to return to Earth. It's also collecting samples of rock and soil that could be returned to Earth by a future mission. The exploration of Mars represents a new frontier in our quest to understand the universe and our place in it, and who knows, maybe one day the footprints of our rovers will be joined by the footprints of humans. Mars, once a red dot in the sky, now holds the footprints of our rovers and possibly in the future, humans. What if space travel wasn't just for astronauts? Imagine a world where the cosmos is not just accessible to a select few, but to anyone with a dream and perhaps a hefty bank account. Welcome to the era of private spaceflight, where companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are changing the game. In the past, space exploration was a realm reserved for governments, but these private companies are pushing boundaries and making space more accessible than ever. Let's start with SpaceX, founded by the ever-ambitious Elon Musk. SpaceX has been breaking records and making history, one rocket at a time. Their Dragon spacecraft, the first privately funded spacecraft, successfully docked with the International Space Station, a feat once thought only possible for government-funded entities. But SpaceX didn't stop at just one groundbreaking achievement. They've also developed the Falcon series of rockets, the first of which, the Falcon 1, became the first privately funded liquid propellant rocket to reach orbit. The Falcon 9 and Falcon Heavy followed suit, with the latter being the most powerful operational rocket in the world by a factor of 2. And did we mention that these Falcons are reusable? Yes, they can land back on Earth after delivering their payload to space, drastically reducing the cost of space travel. Then there's Blue Origin, founded by Amazon's Jeff Bezos, which is developing reusable rockets of their own, and Virgin Galactic, Richard Branson's brainchild, aimed at making suborbital space tourism a reality. These companies and others like them are not just opening the doors to space, they're blasting them off the hinges. So, what does this all mean for the future of space exploration? Well, with the rise of private space companies, the cosmos is becoming more accessible, and our understanding of the universe is expanding at an unprecedented rate. The era of private spaceflight is not just about reaching for the stars, but also about bringing them within our grasp. The cosmos is no longer a playground exclusively for governments. Private enterprise has made its entrance, and the future of space exploration is more exciting than ever. Where are we headed next in this vast cosmic ocean? As we journey further into the realm of the unknown, the future of space exploration is teeming with possibility and excitement. With each passing year, we're not just reaching for the stars, we're planning to set foot on them. One of the most anticipated missions on the horizon is NASA's Artemis mission. This ambitious project aims to return humans to the moon by 2024, marking the first human lunar landing since 1972. But Artemis is more than just a nostalgic trip back to the moon. It's a stepping stone, a vital part of the grand plan to take humanity farther than we've ever gone before. Imagine the day when human footprints mark the red sands of Mars. This isn't a fantasy, it's a goal. NASA and other space agencies worldwide are already drafting plans for manned missions to Mars, with the hope of establishing a permanent human presence on the red planet within the next few decades. These missions could unlock secrets about Mars's past, potentially revealing whether life ever existed there. But our future exploration isn't limited to our celestial neighbors. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch soon, will take us even deeper into the cosmos. With its unparalleled sensitivity and resolution, the telescope will allow us to peer back in time, observing the first galaxies formed after the Big Bang. It's like having a time machine that can reveal the universe's earliest chapters. From lunar landings to Martian colonies, from telescopic time travel to the search for extraterrestrial life, the future of space exploration is a thrilling frontier. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we're not just exploring space, we're redefining our place within it. The cosmos is vast and full of mysteries, but as we continue our journey, who knows what wonders we'll discover next. If you want to keep up with this exciting journey, subscribe to FitLife Journey for more amazing content.